Hi guys, this is Saurabh. Or in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to convert any Word file into PDF, right? So we are going to use here some websites, right? So just type here Word to PDF, convert, right? And just enter, and you will see here a lot of website, right? Like this. So we are going to create first our Word file. So here is my Word file, right? I'm going to save this file, save it, and Word file, okay, and I'm going to save this file in desktop, right, and save it, right. Now I'm going to convert this Word file into PDF, right. So here we'll see the option I love pdf.com, so click on here, and wait some seconds to open the website, and right now, okay, click on select Word file, click here, and now we are going to desktop, and that one is our file, right. Click on file and wait some seconds. Okay, and after uploading this website, you have to click on convert to PDF and wait some seconds to convert our Word file to PDF, right? And click on download PDF. And you will see here is my PDF. Click on this PDF file, and you will see here that one is PDF file. You cannot change this file, right? So that one is our Word file. We can change this file anything like this, right? But we cannot change the invert and our PDF file, right? So that one is our PDF file. So it's very easy to convert Word file to PDF file, right? If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.